Hello friends, welcome to CodeMart channel. In this video we are going to discuss how we can create the header and the footer and make it globally using the Elementor plugin. So generally in the Elementor plugin, Elementor do not provide any kind of plugin like a free plugin, and mostly when we use the Elementor, so we cannot generate the globally header or footer. For that Elementor provide a plugin which we can use and create the, like I have created the header part and the footer part and make it globally. So how we can it globally? So if it goes to any kind of blog or any kind of product page, so we can achieve this. Beside this, if you want to show the header and the footer like for a specific page or a specific post or product, so you can achieve that also. For that we have to go in plugin part and install the free plugin. So here we are in the plugin section and we have to search the Elementor, write the Elementor header. So when we search the Elementor header, it shows the plugin, and the first plugin is Elementor header and footer. We can use this plugin. I have already installed and activate this plugin. So for this plugin we have to go appearance menu and go to Elementor header and footer, right? So now if we add new plugin, let's skip this model and add new plugin. Okay, so we have to generate the header part. So write any kind of name, whatever you like. So go to Elementor part and select option, select the header option. Now this is the display option. In display option you can achieve all kind of things, whatever your condition or functionality you want. So I want to write now entire website, okay, and publish the, and okay, just this thing, and just like now we have to nothing display template and just publish the things. When we publish, we have to just go to Elementor and edit with Elementor options. Okay, we get the Elementor options and just add the create a sections or container, anything else. Just we can, for now we just simple things like add the text any kind of, and write any things like which belongs to header, and save it, update the button. Now just let's check if it is globally. We can see things. So our header is by default. No, okay, look it now. So header part is done, and this is the footer by WordPress come from theme. So we have to create now the footer section. Right now just go appearance and go to Elementor footer, and again click the add new. Write anything which belongs to, like I am writing Elementor footer, and okay, Elementor footer, and select the options, Elementor, and select the options. Now footer, and select the display condition, whatever condition, like before I said, you have to decide which you want. I want to entire websites, and just publish the button, hit the publish button, and click with edit Elementor. Go to Elementor. We not go to the design part in this video. So just add new, create a section, and put a simple text. You write it over there. This will be my footer, so it's footer. Just update. Go to the website and let's check it if this removed and Elementor footer is work or not. So if you go there, okay, that's all great. So our footer is also worked, and let's assume this product. So yeah, okay, in product page we have also achieved the header and footer part. So hope in this video I have fixed this issue. Please